How to add skill on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add skill on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you get logged in, you can see the icon for plus, tap on it. Now tap on search bar and search for skill. In order to add skill, just check this box. Now tap on next. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you click on import, skill will be added on your MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add skill on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.